Good morning students. Welcome to your mathematics class. In previous class, I gave you 5 properties of multiplication to write. In today's class, I am going to explain you these properties of multiplication, that how we use them. Okay, let us start. First property is order property. Order property says, okay, order property says if we multiply two numbers in any order, they will get equal result. For example, let us suppose a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So now if I multiply 5 into 3 or 3 into 5, they both will give equal result. 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So see children, this property says when we multiply two numbers in any order, either 5 multiply by 3 or 3 multiply by 5, they give equal result. Okay, I hope you all understand this property. This is called order property. Order property says whether we multiply two numbers in any order, whether 5 multiply by 3 or 3 multiply by 5, we get equal result. Now moving on to next property, that is grouping property. Now if we have numbers more than 2 नंबर्स अगर हमारे पास हैं, देन यहाँ पर भी हम करते हैं a, लेट सपोज कर लेते हैं a इज इक्वल टू 2, b इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड c इज इक्वल टू 4. दिस विल हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट ईजीली. a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Now I will place these digits in place of a, b and c. a is 2, multiply, b is 3, multiply, c is 4, bracket close, equals to a is 2, b is 3, bracket close, multiply, c is 4. Now children, if you learnt about the rule of BODMAS, so first of all we have to solve the digits in bracket. BODMAS रूल के अकॉर्डिंग हमें सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले डिजिट्स को सॉल्व करना है. सो इफ़ वी सॉल्व दिस वी गेट 3 4s आर 12. ओके, लेट द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन बी अनचेंज. बाकी डिजिट्स को हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, उसको अनचेंज रखेंगे. इक्वल्स 2 3s आर 6 into 4. ओके, नाउ 2 12s आर. आई होप अब आप सब सोच रहे होंगे मैम हमने तो 10 तक टेबल्स लर्न किए हैं. सो यू कैन काउंट इट लाइक दिस. 12 2s आर 24 equals 6 4s are 24. See, using this property we also get same result. Either we multiply b into c first, then multiplied with a, or multiplied a and b first and the result is multiplied with the third digit c. In both cases we get equal result. Okay, property number 3, it is multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 1 says whether we multiply any number with 1, we get the number itself, or the number 1 is multiplied with any given number, we get the same number. For example, let us suppose a is equal to 3. Okay, now I am going to place this 3 in this equation. 3 multiplied 1, bracket close, equals 3, equals 1 multiplied by 3. So 3 1s are 3, equals 3, equals 1 3s are 3. So children, you see, multiplicative property of 1 says whether we multiply any digit with 1 or we multiply 1 with any digit, we get the number itself. Okay, This is our third property. Property say name is multiplicative property of 1. Now next is multiplicative property of 0. This property says when we multiply any number with 0, we get 0. Or if we multiply 0 with any number, we get 0. For example, let's suppose a is equal to 5. Okay, now I am going to place this 5 at the place of a in given equation. A means 5 multiply 0 brackets close equals 0 equals 0 multiply 5 brackets close. So children, 5 zeros are 0 equals 0 equals 0 5s are 0. 0 का तो कोई टेबल ही नहीं होता ना. So 0 5s are 0. So children, see, we get 0 whenever we multiply any number with 0 or 0 with any number. Finally we would get 0. This is called multiplicative property of 0. Now moving on to our next and last property of multiplication, it is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. See children, we have 2 multiply 3 plus 4. Now there are two ways to solve this. One is using grouping property and another one is, which I am going to tell you, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Using grouping property you can solve it like 2 multiply 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 7s are 14. But I am teaching you distributive property of multiplication over addition. So using this property, how we will solve it? We will solve it like this: 2 into 3 plus 4. This is your question. 2 multiplied by 3 after addition after 2 multiplied by 4. Okay children, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8. Now add 6 plus 8. Now add 6 and 8. You will get 14. See children, both the methods give same answer, but the methods are different. So which one you find easy, you can use that method to solve your given equation. But if in your question paper a particular property's name is given, then you have to solve the question according to that property only. अगर आपको टेस्ट में या क्वेश्चन पेपर में एक प्रश्न देकर किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी का नाम दिया जाता है, तो आपको उसी